Now it's the mid-June. Before the summer comes, I'm going to take another look at the active growth of my Aeoniums. Let me start with Aeonium Kiwi Tricolor. Apparently the red color has intensified somewhat comparing to what it was like in my previous video. This plant is hybridized by a local grower. I think he called this one red rose. It's somewhat similar to Blushing Beauty, which is this one. I have another Blushing Beauty, which is somewhere else. It's a very easy plant to grow. And this one is Aeonium Halloween. Halloween also has got more red on the foliage than in the previous video. This is my Aeonium Mardi Gras. Now it has become more red than it was before. There is a small plant of Mardi Gras which is somewhat in active growth. As you may know, when the summer comes, Aeonium will enter their summer dormancy. In Toronto, it is only partial dormancy because we don't have a long period of very hot weather. And this one is Aeonium Halloween. This one is Aeonium Medusa. If you saw my video before, you would see the top was trimmed off, so now it has multiple growths, and the rosettes have become a lot bigger. The same for this Aeonium Velour. It is also a lot bigger than you saw in the previous video because the rosettes are growing after the center growth was trimmed. This is Aeonium Sunburst or Starburst. I think it's Starburst. It is still in very active growth because you can see it has more green than the pink and the creamy yellow color. This one is a green Aeonium. I think it must be a Aeonium Arboretum. I almost give up on this plant because I felt it's kind of boring, but it is scented, so I still keep it. It's very, very easy to grow. The scent is pleasant. Here is Aeonium Pink Witch. It is doing nicely. And this one is Aeonium Arboreum Variegata. It can be very pretty when it gets more pink and it well. You will see in my future video how nicely the color would change. This one, you saw it before, is Aeonium Fiesta, and I showed you there are two Fiesta, but they have very different colors on the leaves. Now they are still different, but they are getting more similar. Okay, this is my today's video. Oh, by the way, this one is Echeveria Lola because it does not need a lot of light, so I just put it together with Aeoniums. Thanks for watching. See you next time.